So let's just talk about the instance and the class variable in Python. So the instance variables are the variables they are defined within the init method of a class. So as we know, init method is one constructor. So all of the variables that we define inside the constructor are the instance variable. And the instance variables are specific to each object. That means they can hold different values for different object. So suppose we have the object car1, car2. So for instance variable, the car1 will have a different value, and for the object car2 it will have one different value. So let's just define one class car. So first of all, we have to define the constructor init method. So car has the brand attribute and the color attribute. Now here inside we have to set the brand, so self dot brand, and also we can set the color. So these are the variables, they are defined within the init method, so they are the instance variables. Now if we create one object c1, and here we pass the brand of the car, which is Tesla, and also the color red. Let's just create another object c2, the brand is Toyota and the color is blue. So inside this init method, these are the instance variable. That means for object c1 and c2, both of them will have different values. So if we write c1 dot brand, this will have a value Tesla, and if we write c2 dot brand, it will have the value Toyota. So the instance variable will have separate copy for every object that we create, whereas the class variables are defined outside of the init method and they are shared across all the objects that we create. So these are all the instance variables. So let's now create the class variable. So here inside the class, but outside of the init method, we can create one class variable. Like an example, the wheels. So the car has 4 wheels. So this is the class variable, and the class variables are shared by all the objects. So the object c1 can access the class variable, and also the object c2 can also access the class variable. So let's just print them. For c1.wheel and c2.wheel, both has the same value, because this is the one variable that is shared by all the object. So this way we can define the instance variable inside this init method, and also we can define the class variables right here outside the init method, and that is shared by all the objects that we create. So hope you understand about instance and class variables in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.